Today we will be making a very nice, probably it's a dessert or it can also be a snack, made out of dates with cashew nuts and desiccated coconut. So let's start. This is 500 grams of dates, but I'm not using all of them, only half of it. Just half. I think that's half already. And all we need to do is just remove the pit. By the way, the cashew nuts, I already soaked this in the water overnight. And it's not going to be dry when you blend this together with the dates. Georgia, wrap me up in all I won't share. In my arms you let me hold you and never let you go again like I did. So these are the dates. The cashew nuts, and raisins. I decided to add raisins. So everything is just estimation. And also, I'm going to add this lemon. And then close it. Close it. So, this is the consistency we're looking for. Look, that's basically it. So the next thing we're going to do is we have to make a roll. This is the desiccated coconut. I'm using this. And we're just going to make a scoop. I already washed my hands. And then make a ball, small ball. And then roll it here. So this is it. Let's try one. You can eat it as a snack or as a dessert. Nice and healthy. Dates with coconut.